Here is how to download photos in Google Photos to your gallery. So let's get started. First, open Google Photos and then you have to select the photos to download. So let's say I want to download these photos. I just have to select them by long pressing on them. Then I can select all, and at the bottom just scroll to the right and you'll see this option, download. So click on it. And they've said 11 photos will be downloaded. So wait for a few minutes and then let's check our gallery. So here I've come to the same date of 2016, and as you can see, the photos are getting downloaded now. And if you want to download more photos in bulk, I'll show you how to do that. Again, go to Google Photos, and over here you can select multiple photos just by going to the month. So next to October 2016, if I click on the tick, all images got selected. The same way, I can do it for all of the months. And if I want to download all in bulk, then once the images are selected, again, I can just scroll to the right and click on download. And all of them would be downloaded and I can see them in the gallery. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to transfer Google Photos from one account to another, check out this video. Goodbye.